Welcome to the Metropole condominiums located in Logan Circle in Washington, D.C. This penthouse unit consists of 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It is 2,244 square feet. It has hardwood floors throughout and an open floor plan with ceiling to floor windows for natural light. The kitchen consists of granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and customized refrigerator and cabinetry. The bathroom has a his and her vanity, ceramic tile floors, and standalone shower. There's a private terrace off of this bedroom that overlooks Logan Circle. As you walk upstairs to the second level, there's a den and a 1,000 square foot patio that overlooks Logan Circle. As you walk through the entryway to the second unit, or the in-law suite, you're greeted by a full bath, a living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, a private terrace, and another full kitchen and bedroom.